Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 17th February and 8:30 p.m. Today weekly expiry. I cannot call it as weekly expiry. It is actually a goosebumps expiry for us because market respected our numbers even on this volatile day, and that too on a weekly expiry. It exactly worked on our numbers thanks to market, and literally it's a pranam to market to see. So let's go to our PPT, what I discussed yesterday night and how market react, and what is for tomorrow. Okay, let's go to the PPT first. Okay, so I clearly mentioned three numbers converged, so you're going to see a big move in 2 days, and actually it started today in Nifty. Maybe another 250 points is on the cards for tomorrow. Okay, so this is where we started. Weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. So anything above 30 minutes high, you buy. Anything below 30 minutes low, you sell. So this is the simple logic. Okay, and these are the numbers, and watch these numbers. You can go back to my PPT yesterday, what I mentioned, and this is for 17th February. And this intraday decider Nifty future 38,111. And apart from that, if you go to my LinkedIn channel, so this is the Excel sheet number which I give it to people at 9:30. I don't know how many people follow it, or how many people make money out of it, but this is a number which I give. And today morning it has not given us the opportunity to sell at 17,391, because after 9:30 it fell badly, so we didn't get the opportunity to sell at 17,391. But after 12:30 it gave opportunity to sell, and the stop loss was 17,424, because the stop loss is here 17,424. Let's see what all happened today in this market on an expiry day on our numbers. Okay, let's go to the chart. First, this is Bank Nifty. Okay, morning it came down. So first 30 minutes there is no buy, because 30 minutes high is not crossed. So below 30 minutes low you need to sell, and it came and achieved all our three targets in the first 1 hour itself. And the beauty is from here it went and touched 37,929, which is our sell number for today, and the high was 37,929.65. and from there it came and achieved all the targets. This is the last target for the day, which is 37,434. Exactly it touched there, exact to the dot, and closed above. So it's a literal goosebumps. So from here it went up. Here also it achieved all the three targets, and we are in short from yesterday, but it gave the opportunity to us again to go and sell exactly at the number, and it came all the way and touched our last target, which is 37,434. You can go back to my yesterday's video and you can see all this thing. And in LinkedIn also I post the first 2 pages, so all these numbers is already there with you yesterday night itself. Okay, so now coming to Bank Nifty future, this is again amazing. The first hour, the high was 38,111. This is I'm talking about Nifty future. Okay, and our intraday number, game changer number, was 38,111. And from there, first 30 minutes candle came down all the way, and it went and achieved all the targets, which is 37,474, which is our one number magic, and it closed to below. Even here, when it came down all the way, it took the support from here, it went up, but finally in the closing it closed to below 37,474, which is not a good sign. See, what I want to claim is 38,111, that important intraday number, was the high for today, and I gave this number yesterday night in my PPT as well as in the video, right? This is second goosebumps. Third goosebumps. So this is the intraday number for today. Okay, for Nifty future, and I give this number only after 9:30 to my followers as well as to LinkedIn followers. 17,424, 17,391. So you need to sell below 17,391 and the stop loss is 17,424. In case if you buy above 17,424, the stop loss is 17,391. It is 33 point stop loss. Today, in the morning itself, it has opened below, so we didn't get the opportunity to sell at 17,391. It came down all the way, achieved all the targets, and went above, and it gave an opportunity to sell only at 12:30. Maybe you would have missed this move, but fine. Market came down, came up again, and gave the opportunity to us to sell. And the beauty of it is, our stop loss is 17,424, and if you take the high of this candle, the high of this candle is 17,423.85. It has missed our stop loss by 15 paisa, and it gave all the targets on the downside, all the 4 targets downside, and it is 1:4, and we captured roughly around 130 points. And that is why I said, if you don't get the opportunity in the morning to sell at the number or buy at the number, wait for the opportunity. Market will come and give you opportunity. In case if it doesn't give the opportunity, think that God has not blessed you for that day. I'm talking about God. God means I'm talking about Nifty. So Nifty is not blessed you to give the opportunity to make money on that day. Say thanks to market. If you don't hold position, that is the biggest advantage to be happy with your family. So these 3 goosebumps, on that too on expiry day with a ditto high and ditto low. Mostly I think in India, many people would have captured, and I am one of them. And actually we are one of them. Okay. So say thanks to market for this. Say thanks to market for this. Okay. So now going back to tomorrow. Let's go to tomorrow. Okay. This number converged, still it is continuing. Still it is continuing. So you may see another big move tomorrow. The way in which market closed below, the Nifty spot closed below 17,303 today, which is our sell number 2 days before also, yesterday also, and today also. It is closed below, which is not a good sign. Okay. So another big move is on the cards for tomorrow, right? So this is what I mentioned here. Nifty spot closed below 17,303, which is not a good sign. And Bank Nifty holding 37,434, which is our magical number in Nifty spot. In Nifty spot, break below this number, more pain for the bulls. Okay. And Bank Nifty future also closed below 37,474, which is our 1 number magic, which is not a good sign. Okay. And I mentioned today we capture the exact top and bottom, everything. Okay. So now this I remove it. This we don't need. Okay. For tomorrow, I've clearly mentioned what we need to do. Till it is below 17,303, it is bearish only. You can initiate the long position only above 13,303 on 15 minutes closing basis, and the targets are here, and the sell targets are here. Okay. And for Bank Nifty, I've clearly mentioned the targets till it is below 37,434. In case if it breaks tomorrow, this number, maybe I can write it this way, break below. But today it closed, the average closing was somewhere around 37,521, but I don't take care of, I don't see all that. According to me, it came and touched, and I take the actual closing, not the average closing. So break below this number, 37,434. The targets are 37,237 and 36,864. If it breaks, then God only can save bulls. Let's watch. And future numbers I've already given. And tomorrow the important number is 13,339 for Nifty futures. and 37,718 for Bank Nifty future. And Nifty future and Bank Nifty future closed below the intraday decider, so which is weak. Any long only above the intraday decider number only, and it has to hold this number at least for 15 minutes. If not, you should not go long tomorrow. Understood? Yeah. Now our one number magic in Nifty future is still holding, and Bank Nifty future, it closed below. That's why I mentioned in red. Right? Okay, this is the weekly target, and below 36,864 tomorrow, possibility of 36,481. Right? And many people are commenting, Russia, Putin, Ukraine, bomb, no bomb. Seriously, instead of watching all this, instead of watching news in TV, watching others' numbers, simply concentrate on Nifty. It will give you better indication than what is going to happen there. Much more before whether they are going to file the missile or not. It knows everything. Market knows everything much before the real thing starts. That's why I call it as God, because he knows everything. Nifty knows everything. Our market knows everything. So instead of wasting time taking position in Nifty future and watching Dow, Singapore Nifty, SGX, Nasdaq, all doesn't give any logic. At least you can spend time with the family in the night. If you don't want to take any risk, and if you are fear of losing money in the market, don't take the position home. Close the position, sleep aram se peacefully. Come tomorrow. Market will give you another opportunity tomorrow. Why you want to take the position and sit and cry in the night after seeing Dow, and they'll be watching till 1:30 in the night, and after 1:30 you will have a sleepless night, and next day morning, even if the market gives the opportunity, your mind will not be focused because you lost your sleep. You need to have a good sleep, otherwise you cannot concentrate on the market on the next day. So if you cannot take the loss, don't take the position home. Very simple. Market will give you opportunity. Today in Nifty future, it didn't give the opportunity in the morning for the intraday players. No problem. Finally, it came and gave the opportunity. No. In case if the stop loss gets hit, yes, it hits. Simple. That simple Excel sheet will give you minimum 250 points per week, which is 1,000 points in Nifty per month, which is 50,000 rupees. And you need a capital of roughly around 1,25,000 max to trade Nifty future on intraday. It's roughly around 40% per month. No, the big thing, but you need to follow it with discipline. Yes, stop loss will get it, no doubt about it, but you need to follow with discipline. So market will give you opportunity every second, every minute, every hour, and every day. So look for the opportunity and grab it. That is what I want to tell you. So I have given the numbers of Nifty future, Bank Nifty future, and tomorrow is big day for all the top counters or favorite counters. See, today I've marked all. I've already yesterday I mentioned that these companies are having a yearly date which comes twice in a year. So mark whichever counter you like, take the counter and mark the high and low of today. If you are perennial bull, then buy only above today's high in these counters. If you are a F&O player, you can go for a short once it breaks today's low. Wait for the opportunity to come and hit only at the low number. For example, let's say Nalco. The high made today is 120.7 and the low was 116.30. Suppose in case if the market opens gap down tomorrow, let's say it opens at 115. Wait for the opportunity to hit only at this number. If you doesn't get the opportunity, leave it. It is not your day. So take your favorite counters. Don't take the entire thing. You cannot trade because I have given already more than 40-50 counters here. Take the best one, which is your favorite and which you are trading for a very long time, and use that. And maybe I'll try to conduct a webinar for how to trade the trade change date. maybe on Saturday or Sunday. I'll let you know, which you can use it. You can join that webinar, how to trade, the trend change date. Okay, there are a little bit of parameters which you need to watch, and believe me, it works like crazy. Okay, coming to tomorrow, these three guys as well as Titan are big guys. Adani Enterprises, Adani Port. I've already talked about Adani Port many times. I've already posted a separate video for Adani Port, right? And after that, it was above that, high, which is let's go to Adani Port here. Yeah, the high made was 715 and the low made was 691 on 14th February. Today it closed at 734. It went to roughly around 747, 750 level. Today, it came down, no problem. What I want is tomorrow, it has to come and close within these two numbers. That is what I'm praying. So that, it gives a lot of opportunity because there is one more day which is going to come. If it closed within this number 715 to 691 in the next two TCD dates, then we are blessed, because we can make a solid money on the long side or on the short side, right? So these counters for tomorrow from Bharat Forge, IndusInd Bank, M&M Finance, Adani Ports, Bajaj Finance, till up to 18th, till up to Voltas, and 19th you have only Britannia, and 21st again, Tata Steel, SBI, Tata Power, PNB, and Delta Corp, and many more to come. I don't want to include everything, all these, in the PPT, so that the pages is going, crazy. It's already now, we are only crossed 17th, and the total pages is roughly around 145. So every day I will include the page, but you have dates for stocks till 21st, right? And again, I've already told you that in case if the market is going to go down from here, possibility of making a bottom on 21st and 22nd, right? In case if it goes up from here, the top formation will happen on 21st or 22nd, and from there the possibility of roughly around minimum 10%, and according to me it is 11%, 11.46% to be precise. Okay, let's watch it. We will initiate the trade, let the day gets over 21st and 22nd, then we will decide how to trade those dates. Till that time, wait and watch. And I already explained yesterday that this is not the market for doing bottom fishing or investment. Kindly stay away till 21st and 22nd. Let the things clear. Once 22nd and 22nd is over, we will take the high and low of these two dates, like what we did on 3rd February and 4th February. And from there, how much market fell. So we will take the high and low of 21st February and 22nd February. And from there, we will decide whether to go long in the market on a positional front on stocks or not, based on the dates of the stocks which we already have for February, and with the combination of dates for the last 1 year. And last 1 year dates we have with us, so we don't need to worry, and we know where it will come and take the support based on the dates. So no, we will definitely try to capture the bottom or the top and make some money out of it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, getting a lot of queries. In case if you're stuck with any counter, let me know. I'll try to help you out with my technical knowledge as well as the dates, and a little bit of work on my Ichimoku, Pitchfork, and GAN analysis. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe it and put a notification on, so that you will get, in case if I put any video, you'll get the video. And let me know if you want to know how to trade trend change date. Even if one guy join also, I will conduct the webinar. I don't want minimum 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, because people will put, only if I get 100 likes, I will show you which counter to buy. For me, there is no need for 100 likes or 200 likes. Even if one guy wants to know the chapter, I will definitely conduct the webinar. But you need to give a WhatsApp message. I've already, I'm giving my number in my video, so you can WhatsApp me I will definitely try to conduct the webinar for you people, because last time I conducted, somebody came inside and then after 1 hour they started scribbling on the laptops and other stuff. So that's why I don't want to put anything, paste it in the Twitter as well as in LinkedIn. Let me know on my WhatsApp message. I will definitely conduct the webinar on Saturday. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework. Before investing in any stock, cryptos, currencies, whatever, consult your financial advisor. And this is just an educational video. And my followers know where to put the stop loss. So please keep the stop loss in place, because this market is very, very volatile. It is moving like kangaroo. It is not a bull or a bear. So you need to be very, very vigilant to sit on the kangaroo to ride the market. Okay. So thanks a lot. Bye. Good night.